Hey guys, the step we're doing today is called muscles. It's called so because that's what the step is. So let's start. Yes, again your feet in a neutral position and you bring your arms up just as if you're showing your muscles. Now here what you do is you make your fists tight so as to sort of flex your muscles so that they need to look good, right? Now I don't have muscles but I'm sure you do. So you bring your hands up here, yes, and then you bend to one side and to the other side. You keep a smile on your face and enjoy this step. It's a very easy one. So we can add a lot of variations to this. You can go step and up, step and in, or you can go ahead and here. Be creative, add your own variations. Only things you need to remember to keep the step looking good is again feet in a neutral position, arms up, elbows tight, yes, and last but not least, a smile on your face, right guys? Yep. So guys, let's start on music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.